Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. The first college where faculty recruitment is going on in Sri Sad Vidya Mandal Institute of Technology, Bharuch, Gujarat. They have vacancy for professor, associate professor and assistant professor. The vacancy is in different departments like chemical engineering. They have one vacancy for professor. In civil, they have one vacancy for professor, two vacancy for associate professor and two vacancy for assistant professor. Likewise, in computer, they have one for professor, one for associate professor and no vacancy for assistant professor. In information technology, they have one vacancy for professor and associate professor each. In engineering mathematics, there is no vacancy for professor and but one vacancy is for associate professor and two vacancy for assistant professor. Last one is they have also requirement for training, placement and HR. For that, one vacancy is for associate professor and one vacancy for assistant professor. Here also it is given that for the above mentioned post, experience and qualification are required as per AICTE, Gujarat Technological University and UGC norms. For training and placement, having MBA in HR will be given preference. And they also have, this college also have some vacancies for principal. Candidate must have experience and qualification as per AICTE apart from a skill and passion to lead the institution for the need of industry and society. So the next question is how you will apply here. So for applying, you have to visit the college site like www.sbmit.ac.in. From there, you have to download the application form. After downloading, you have to fill properly and by attaching different supporting documents like your certificates and etc. By attaching that with application form, you say send the form by a speed post within 10 days from date of advertisement to the college address. The next vacancy is in Janta Educational Society. This college is in Bengaluru, Rajaji Nagar. There are vacancies for two colleges, one for Vivekananda Institute of Technology, Kumbal Godu, and second is Vivekananda College of Pharmacy. For both colleges, they have different post vacancy like professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. In engineering, they have vacancies for civil, mechanical for professor. For associate professor, they have vacancies for civil, mechanical in information science, and the third one, assistant professor, they have vacancies for computer science, information science, civil, and mechanical. Now also there are some vacancies for non-teaching staffs like account manager. For that, if you have BCom with MCom or CA Inter with 10-year experience, then you can apply. For office manager, they are requiring MBA or master with 10-year experience. For assistant librarian, if you have master of library science with 2 to 3 year experience in online library system, then also you can apply for this post. Lab instructor, there are vacancies for computer science, information science, mechanical and civil. The eligibility for that is diploma. If you have with 3 year experience, then you can apply. Lab instructor, they have vacancies in chemistry, physics. Qualification required is BSc. Next one, system analyst or networking engineer. For that, if you have diploma or BE with CCNA or MCAC certificate with 2 year experience, then you can apply. They also have vacancies for warden for each boys and girls hostel. If you have any degree with 5 year experience, then you can apply. For driver, they are requiring senior secondary with heavy vehicle driving license to 2 year experience in driving, then you can apply for that. The next vacancy is for Vivekananda College of Pharmacy. They have vacancies for assistant professor in pharmacology. If you have M Pharma in pharmacology or pharmacy or diploma in pharmacy with first class, then you can apply. And next one for pharmaceutics. For that, M Pharma in pharmaceutics with first class they are required. For applying, what you have to do is you have to send your biodata with 2 passport size photo to the honorable secretary to reach him within 10 days, or email. You can also email to jesmanager@gmail.com. or you can send it to this college address also. So this is second college where faculty recruitment is going on. Next college is Avanti Institute of Engineering and Technology. This college is in Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Here they have vacancies for engineering for different departments like basic science and humanities. In basic science and humanities, they have vacancies for English, math, physics, and chemistry. And they also have some trainer vacancies for aptitude, and for assistant professor, associate professor, and professor, they have vacancies for department computer science, electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer science and engineering for data science, and computer science and engineering for artificial intelligence. This college also have some vacancies for non-teaching posts like administrative officer, personal assistant, male or female, lab technician for department AAA electrical, electronics, electronics communication, and mechanical. In mechanical, the specialization is AutoCAD. This college also have some vacancies for wardens. Both male and female can apply. Physical director male are required. What you have to do is you have to send your resume to avantihr@gmail.com before 15th of February 2021. This is third college vacancy. The next college is where faculty recruitment is going on in Sri Sakti Institute of Engineering and Technology. This college is situated in this one in Coimbatore. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for various departments like agricultural engineering, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, civil, computer science, electronics communication, electrical electronics, food technology, information technology, and mechanical engineering. People with industry experience and PhD holder will be given higher start. Means if you have PhD holder, then you will given preference, and also the salary is high for that. They also have vacancies for some placement coordinator, sport coaches, or embedded and VLSI trainer. For applying, what you have to do is you have to apply on this link www.sit.ac.in/jobs. So better to take the advertisement a screenshot, and after that you will apply after that, so that it can be easy in applying. Otherwise you have to watch videos always. So that's all about today. If you have liked the videos, please like the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with other friends also who have required this. Thank you. Have a nice day.